We've got a Viper remote start installed on this 2007 Nissan 350Z. Two-way pager, lock, unlock, pop trunk, remote start. Lock the doors. Unlock. For the trunk, all we do is push and hold the aux for about 4 to 5 seconds. It'll snap open. There you go. Now for the remote start, keys right here. There's no one sitting inside. We hit the start button once, and the engine cranks. Remote start alarms, basic alarms, window tint, HID LED lighting, everything car audio. Come by the shop, check us out. Open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.